Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm really excited because over there we've got something that I always wanted when I was a kid. Now we do have Matt's car in the background here, there's another E24 just over here, there's another couple over here, but today we're looking at this. Now this is a Mark 1 Ford Escort RS2000. Absolutely beautiful car. Right, so this Escort has come with an absolute boatload of parts inside the car and in the boot. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to drag them all out, unwrap them and see what they are. Now this RS2000 was brand new off the production line at the Hayward plant in Merseyside, England in 1974. The owner of this car helped his friend purchase it in 1989 when they were both 18 years old. Two weeks after purchasing, his friend was convinced to restore it, where it was stripped, painted, and then unfortunately never completed. In 2013, 24 years later, the friend sold it to the current owner. It was then stored for a few years while a garage was built for it. And then it was stripped down in 2016 and placed on a rotisserie. Due to other commitments, it then sat till 2021 and it was then prepped and sent for media blasting and zinc primed in 2022. Right, so as you can see, it's an absolute boatload of parts, enough to make a new car. We're not actually going to go through every single part individually because I think that'll take us an age. But what we are going to do is we're going to roll the car over and we're going to show you how bad it is underneath and what the major parts we need to replace are, like the floor pan, the chassis rail, which we'll put underneath the car over there, this rear quarter, front and back. Oh, the list is endless. So let's just show you what it's like. Right, so as you can see, it's got a lot of holes all over. It's like Swiss cheese. It is really bad, inside, outside, underneath, on the top, everywhere. But the areas we're going to start with, probably, we've yet to draw up a game plan for this, but this front chassis rail. Now, the reason being is this chassis rail is absolutely shot, as you can see. Big holes all the way under there. And it's joined to the rotisserie via this chassis rail. So we need to replace that. We do have a brand new one there, as well as all the suspension components and inner wing. The reason we've got those is, for one, they are mullered, and this inner wing lays on top of the chassis rail. So this inner wing got to come out, and that's all the way around here. But on top of that are these chassis mounts, which again are absolutely shot. I mean, they're bad, but they have to come out, as well as this have to come out. But on top of these is the wing, and this is partly welded on, and what do you call that weld? But that has to come off, then the suspension mounts come off, then all the inner wings coming off, and then we can get the chassis rail off. But we have to do that maybe on the floor, I don't know. And then we can replace this chassis leg and then put everything back on. later.